Montana Gold and Montana 94 are both low pressure spray paints, but did you know that they differ in some ways? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly how they differ in this video. If you've been to this channel before, welcome. If not, I'm Jenna Rice. I'm a full-time muralist based in Greensboro, North Carolina. I've learned a whole lot along my journey, and I would like to share all of that with you so that you can skip all of the trial and error that I had to go through when I taught myself how to spray paint. These Montana brands are actually from two different companies. This is the Spanish Montana, and this is the German Montana. Although they're from different companies, most graffiti shops that I've ever been to that sell 94 also sell gold. So when I first started spray painting and I went to the graffiti shop, I didn't really know which brand to buy. I wondered if they were really that different. And it turns out that they are, in slight ways. But these are ways that can really help you figure out which brand you want to use in your particular mural. I'd also like to point out to you that these are rival companies, and I'm not promoted by either one of these in my video. This is just my honest opinion. If you'd like to learn more about my mural art, you can go ahead and check out my Instagram. I've done all sorts of projects all over North Carolina and beyond, so feel free to take a look at that and see how I progressed as a muralist over the past few years. I really did teach myself how to spray paint, guys. That's why I'm teaching you. Keep watching so I can tell you all my secrets. I'll be creating many more videos just like this one, so please go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video. I'll have many more videos about spray paint, mural art, and what it's like to be a full-time artist. All right, first let's talk about Montana Gold. I found that Montana Gold has a much wider variety of tans and browns that are perfect for portraits. Another amazing thing about Montana Gold is I think that they have the best metallics collection. The gold, the chrome, the silver, they all look super realistic. They're very shiny. They're almost reflective in a way, and they're pretty awesome. So if you're going to do something metallic, I would definitely choose Montana Gold over 94. Another thing, Montana Gold is also a little bit more expensive than 94 at most stores that I've been to. Actually, at some stores, they might be the same price, but overall, you might save a little more money if you do 94 instead of gold. But this is a super professional spray paint, and I would definitely recommend it for any sort of realism mural that you're going to do. So here's a pro tip. If you're going to use Montana Gold and you're going to use a crew line stencil cap specifically, and if you don't know what a stencil cap is, I will talk about that in a later video. But if you're going to use a crew line stencil cap with a Montana Gold can, I would suggest that you use the Montana Level 1 super skinny cap paired with that to make sure that the paint gets directly into that little tiny hole exactly where it needs to go. A stencil cap, for those of you that don't know, is actually used, it's like this device that you put on top of the can over the nozzle that helps you get super tiny lines for, say you're doing like whiskers on a cat or eyelashes or something like that. Also, as I'm talking about caps, if you haven't seen any of my cap videos, go ahead back to my channel there. I have 5 different videos explaining the 5 different categories of caps, and the Montana Level 1 super skinny cap is in my super skinny cap video that is right here. All right, now let's talk about 94, the Spanish Montana. Or they also go by MTN 94. MTN is kind of their abbreviated Montana. I found that Montana 94 actually has a much wider range of grayscale than Montana Gold does. So if you're doing anything in black and white, like a black and white portrait, then I would definitely suggest using 94 over Montana Gold. One big thing that I did find out about 94, just by using the cans, and also from what some other muralists and street artists have told me, is that Montana 94 is actually a thicker paint than Montana Gold, just slightly. Just enough to where it might be more difficult to shake the can. So I find that I actually have to shake my 94 cans a little bit longer than I do Montana Gold. But as soon as you shake them, these cans are unstoppable. This is a fantastic paint. Since these cans actually have a thicker paint inside of them, they're actually best paired with stencil caps altogether. So, I was just talking about that crew line stencil cap. So with the 94 cans, I would recommend using a different kind of cap, and that would be the Banana Universal cap with a crew line stencil. Again, if you haven't seen my cap videos, this is considered a skinny cap, and you can find the video right here. So those are some of the differences that I found between Montana 94 and Montana Gold, but if you found anything in particular that you'd like to share, please go ahead and put those in the comments below. I would love to read that and kind of see what everybody else thinks about the comparison between the two. If you enjoyed this video today, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. I have many more videos just like this coming up soon. So go ahead and click that notification bell as well so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, go ahead and click that like button for me. Now, as always, remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.